Hello friends, today we will see a problem on degree of freedom of mechanism. So here in given mechanism we can use the Glauber criteria to calculate the degree of freedom of this mechanism. So according to Glauber criteria, formula is 3n minus 1 minus 2p1 minus p2. So here f is what? F is the degree of freedom, and n is the number of links, p1 will be the number of lower pairs, and p2 will be the number of higher pairs. So here friends, according to this Glauber criteria, we have to find out the degree of freedom. So first we have to find out the number of links. So here the number of links are, we can find out this first fixed link, we are considering the number 1 links, here also fixed link, here also first links. So we'll give the same number to fixed link, that is number 1. Next, this will be the second number of links, this is the third number of link, this ternary link is fourth number of link, this is the fifth number of link, this is the sixth number, and this will be the seventh number. So number of links are here, that is the 7. Next we have to find out the number of pairs, number of lower pairs. By open eye we can see that here number of lower pairs and number of higher pairs. So number of higher pairs are 0 because here is no line contact and point contact is in between two links. So number of higher pairs are 0, that we can directly see. Next we have to find out the number of lower pairs. So here in between fixed link and the second number link there will be the first number of pair, this is second number of pair, in between that second and third number of link, in between third and fourth that will be the third number of pair, in between fourth and fifth that will be the fourth pair, in between fifth and first that will be the fifth number of pair, in between that fourth and sixth that will be the sixth number of pair, in between sixth and seventh that will be the seventh number of pair, in between that 7 number and first number link this will be the 8 number of pairs. So here once again we will see the pair in between one number link and second number link, that will be the first number of pair, in between second and third that will be the second number of pair, in between third and fourth this will be the third number of pair, in between that fourth and fifth this will be the fourth number of pair, in between that fourth and sixth that will be sixth number of pair, in between that sixth and seventh that will be the seventh number of pair, in between that seventh and first that will be 8 number of pair. So here number of lower pairs are how many? That number of lower pairs are 8. So here we will put all values in that Glauber criteria, that will be the f is equal to 3, number of links are 7 minus 1 minus 2 into p1 are number of lower pairs are 8 minus p2 number of higher pairs are 0. Okay, so we'll put all values and we can find out that degree of freedom 3 into 6 minus 2 into 18 that will be 16, 6 into 3 that will be 18 minus 16. So degree of freedom of this mechanism will be the 2. So we can find out the degree of freedom of this mechanism within 5 minutes or within fraction of second if you know that Glauber criteria. Okay, thank you for watching this video.